As you already know, how I uploaded couple of video about how to make money. So one people said some people know how to make money, few people know how to keep money, and almost no one know how to multiply money. So today's video I will show you how to keep money. So today's topic would be about paper money, gold, silver, land, all sort of thing. So I haven't script about that. I will just share with you. Those are those have saved on my heart. Those things I will share with you. So you already know how to make money. Therefore, you have money right now. So and how do you keep those money? So you need to understand how to money work. So right now you have paper money, like you have paper money, and like you haven't land, you haven't gold, you haven't silver, all sort of thing. So you have paper money. So if you have paper money, it's the bullshit, it's the toilet paper, I would say. It doesn't work. You right now lose money because of if you have paper money and you save this paper money just under your bed or uh, inside your box, you lost money every day. So what should you do instead of that? Instead of this type of save, like inside a box, inside a box you are saving money, under bed you are saving money. So instead of that, you can buy valuable thing that's every day increase price, that every day their value they are value uh, never decrease, like gold, silver, animal, land, those type of thing you need to buy. So if you buy those type of thing, you never lost your money. It's if money loss, but their value is existence forever, like land, animal, silver, gold. You already know about that. Gold, no one can control, but paper money control government. Paper money control US dollar, and US dollar control man. So you need to understand that if you buy land, no one control land. It's the neutral thing. Silver, no one control that. It's neutral thing. Silver, no one control that. It's neutral thing. Animal, no one control. It's neutral thing. You need to buy neutral thing that's every day increase your price. That's valuable for you. You need to understand that. And it's the how to keep money. It's not, man. If you know about not physical thing, like you want to buy real estate, any kind of investment, that's it's I will share with you next video. In the next video, how to multiply money. So I just share with you today how to keep money. So I'm hoping you got something from my video. And yeah, everyone need money, because of I said 99.99% problem solved by money every day. So yeah, you need to you need to take PhD about how to money work about that. So I'm hoping you will get something from this channel. So therefore, hit the subscribe button and do that. See you in the next video.